Solar Decathlon India will pave pathways for future low-carbon solutions for buildings in India and the global south. We cannot wait to welcome you to the movement.
The Solar Decathlon India will be a game changer in creating skilled and motivated professionals by providing hands-on educational experience in the design competition.
Now more than ever, India's youth need to focus on net zero, energy, water and waste buildings.
We will innovate and mainstream future buildings that are affordable and carbon neutral. It's on us.